county, I have never, at any point, Madam Speaker, I go to the county like twice a month. At least I could even have photos. Of late, we are online. He should give clear clarification of what he has said. Madam Speaker, I've sat in this parliament and I've been told 2 lies. You said that is not a parliamentary language. I don't know which one to use. 3rd of May, the Minister for Education came and said, our school-going boys and girls don't fetch water from the river. I have photos of MSA Primary School of boys and girls going to fetch water from the river. I have photos. No, I want to signal out the lies. Kenyanya Technical Institute, a whole polytechnic, all boys and girls, or men and women, going to fetch water from the river. No. Can you respect women? I'm on the floor and I want to defend the rights of our girls, please. When you go and fetch water from the river on Rebosoro, 20 liters, you are on your period. What will that help you when we still don't have water in our schools? We need water, electricity, and good roads, period. Adding sanitary pads for our girls. You are saying 7 packets. That is a cycle of 12 months. What informed the ministry of giving 7? What will 7 help? In fact, they should be given 24. We are eating well. We need 2 packets per month. And you are telling, they are giving half, Madam Speaker. In that sachet, we have 7 pieces. And you are going for 5 days. What will 7 packets help? And you are comfortable telling us that you've solved the issue of our girls. Everything that you have said, this is the second point that has not been authenticated properly before the floor of this house. You are taking honorable members as masqueraders. I don't know, that information is not authentic, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. The honorable member for Kajiado.